Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today I have my March 2018 Glossybox versus Glossybox video. So guys, if you're new to my channel and you don't know me yet, hi, my name is Cassie, it's nice to meet you, and I do a lot of unboxing videos, a lot of beauty and lifestyle related stuff on my channel, so if that sounds like a fun time to you, make sure you subscribe. There's a lot more unboxings coming for the month of March, so make sure you do that. Just so you guys know, I know that my Glossybox versus Glossybox video was kind of a fail last time, but one box on the outside had a sticker that said Variation 1, and one box had a sticker that said Variation 2. Long story short, I'm still getting 2 Glossyboxes. I'm not sure why, but I'm getting them. So I'm going to do this video. These should be different. They are different variations, so we're going to go with it and try to figure out if one is better than the other. We're going to see. We're going to see. First Glossybox. We're opening it up. They're both really heavy this month, which I think is a good thing. We'll just have to see how that goes. And it says, Glossybox, true beauty is. Inside the box, we have a little bit of tissue paper and our stuff. So the first thing I'm grabbing out of here is a Unani Illuminating Milk Cleanser. This is not even on my page. This is so weird. I don't have this on the page. So this can function as a makeup remover and a cleanser, which is really awesome, and this is a really big size, so I'm usually not a huge fan of skincare products, but this is huge, and I'm actually out of my face wash, so this will work really well. Definitely excited that I have something to wash my face with now. The next thing I'm seeing in here is a Form Multitask Leave-In Lotion. That is on my little thing. It says the full size is $32. It detangles, strengthens, refreshes your hair. So it's basically like a leave-in conditioner. I like leave-in conditioners. They are something that I actually use on my hair. This is a pretty decent size, but it's not a full size. It says the full size is 12 fluid ounces, and this is 1.7 fluid ounces, so this would be like $3 worth or something like that. Next thing I'm seeing in here is a Figs and Rouge Soft Focus Pore Perfect Matte Veil. So this is a primer, it seems like. The full size is $35 and is 1 fluid ounce. This is 1 fluid ounce, so we've got our $35 product right here. That's pretty awesome. That is a good deal. This is a $20 box. We just got a $35 product. It does feel really soft and smoothing, but not super like silicone-y or anything. It just feels velvety. So I'm really intrigued by this. I want to try it out and see how it goes, but definitely a good deal to get to try out a full-size $35 product. Next thing I'm seeing in here is a CoverFX Perfect Pencil in light, I think. So it looks like this is a concealer pencil. It says the full size is $20, so this is the full-size item. We're $20. So far, we're doing pretty well in Glossybox. We've got a good chunk of value in here. I don't know how much that cleanser is, but the full-size primer and this are already over $55 in value, over double the box, so I'm feeling good about it. Okay, this versatile little tool can be used to define lips and eyebrow arches or conceal trouble spots in an instant. That is a good idea. I like the idea of using this to line the outside of your lips. If you mess up a little bit with your liquid lipstick, you can kind of go in there after it's dried down and kind of conceal just with a pencil. I think that's a really awesome concept, and I'm excited to get to try this out. Definitely cool. Definitely really cool. The next thing I'm seeing in here is a De Bruyere. It's B-R-U-Y-E-R-E, and I have no idea how to pronounce that. Looks like an eyeshadow pencil. Ooh, this is a pretty color. So it's just kind of a bronzy pewter shade, which I think is really, really pretty. Definitely something I would use. Yeah, so you guys can see that. I think that's a really pretty shade, and definitely something that'll be really beautiful in the eyes. $18 for the full size, and this is the full size. So we're really doing well on the value of this box. We're kind of up to over $60, $70 worth. We're doing well. The last thing I have in here is the Morgan Taylor Professional Nail Liqueur, and this is in the shade Lip Service. It's kind of a really bright pink, and I think it's nice. It's not a color that I wear a lot on my fingers, but definitely something that's pretty. It says the full size is $9.50, and I think that is a good thing to add to the box. So it turns out that this cleanser was like an extra item, a glossy fave apparently. So it's a 6th item, and I think that's a really good deal. I think it's a fun idea to get a 6th thing that makes the box a little bit extra special, but is kind of rando. And I'm cool with that. I feel like we got a lot of really good stuff. 3 makeup items, a nail polish, a leave-in conditioner, and this huge cleanser. So I think Glossybox this month was pretty awesome. So that was everything in my first Glossybox. Let's dig into Glossybox number 2. So apparently variation number 2 just means a different nail color. I'm actually really glad I got another nail color. I love this color. It's called I'm Charmed. I really like light pinks like this, so it's definitely something that I really enjoy. I think, is this the same color as well? Looks like the eye pencil I got is in the same color as well. So, fail number 2. I'll even show you guys. Variation 2. And this one said March variation 1. How are those even variations? They're the same thing with different color nail polishes. I've learned my lesson. I'm not going to do this anymore. I'll just unbox the one Glossybox. I just thought it was going to work out, so sorry you guys, that's a little bit of a bummer. But on a positive note, Glossybox was really killer this month. We got a lot of full-size products. I'm happy with it. We got a really good value of stuff here. And I feel like Glossybox is headed in a positive direction. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big huge thumbs up. I'm not planning on doing more of these Battle of the Glossyboxes in the future just because it didn't work out the way I planned. But if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I'd love to have you in my little family on the internet. And I have a link to Glossybox in the description down below if you want to check it out. That's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!